What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be installing side skirt extensions and rear bumper extensions as well. And these are by KG Splitters. Now I'm really stoked to get these installed because it will complete my exterior kit. Because I have the front lip here, we installed recently, and I have a more aggressive diffuser. So these rear extensions and the side skirt extensions will really tie everything in. Here they are. Came packaged pretty well with some bubble wrap, just in a matte black finish, just to match the rest of the car. And it comes with some self-tapping screws. And this is from KG Splitters. I'll put the link to his profile in the description. If you want to get some yourself, just go ahead and reach out. So shout out to Kerry Getz, he's the owner and fellow skateboarder. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do a little test fit, and he did pre-drill screw holes for you, so that's also handy. Oh yeah, I want the thinner piece in the back, and so yeah, that lines up pretty well. Yeah, that's perfect. Perfect fitment. So I'm going to go ahead and put some 3M tape on it, just so I can secure it on there, and then I can go ahead and screw it in. So I got my 3M tape on there, but first I'm going to go ahead and wipe down the bottom, just with some Carpo Eraser, or just 70% alcohol if you don't have this. Whew. We got the 3M tape all along it, so now we're going to line it up carefully and stick it on there so it might get in the way. That is right about where we want it. So just go ahead and apply some pressure to the 3M tape for about 30 seconds or so, just to ensure we have a good bond. Gonna go ahead and screw in 4 screws that Kerry provided. Let's go ahead and get those in. I'm gonna go ahead and jack up the car just because I have a jack, and it's gonna be easier to get my drill in there. Alright, so I got the car jacked up. Makes this way easier. Just want to get them secured, not too tight. You don't want to strip anything. Perfect. It's not going anywhere. Easy install. Oh guys, looks so much better already. Just the rear extensions. It's looking great. So now onto the side skirts. So it's easier if you have two people to do this part, but I went ahead and put a little piece of 3M there, some longer strips in the middle, but I'm going to have my little brother help me prop it up so I can line it up right. And then I also jacked it up on the diff, the rear diff, so I can go ahead and fit my drill under there and just get these screws in, at least the back ones. Alright, so we got it mocked up how I want it. I'm just going to go ahead and put a screw in each end so we can adjust the middle as we go along. Alright, since I can't fit my drill under this part, I'm going to try this little screwdriver. See if that'll work. Because you kind of have to push it in to get the kind of fitment that you want here. Now we're just going to go down through the rest of the screws. I think there are about 6 more. Alright, so I got the right side skirt extension on. Looks so much better. There's the angle from the back. Looks so good. It looks so much better, man. The kit is complete. So we got the front lip, the side skirt, to the rear extension, to the diffuser. Okay guys, really easy install. If you want some, hit up KG Splitters yourself. Very reasonable price. They can also do some carbon wraps and a gloss finish. But make sure you like, subscribe, comment, let me know how it turned out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.